Katie Petit from katiepertitdesigns.com, and I want to show you how to quickly and easily recolor template elements to complement your photos. I'm showing you today with Scrap Layers template number 7, which is available in the shop. So this is the page that I created, and it started with this template. So you can see that this template is in greens, like a seafoam green, and my photo had a lot more strong blues in it that I wanted to make the template match with. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to control click on this top layer. That's going to bring me to the photo layer. I'm going to grab my photo and I'm going to bring it in and position it where I want it. Option Command G is going to clip it to my photo mask. I'm going to Command J and copy it. I could also click and drag down to the plus sign and copy it. Drag it above one of the other layers in this stacked frame so that everything lines up. Again, Option Command G, clip. I'm going to go down to my last photo here. Whoops. Click, drag over the plus sign icon, move it down here. Command Option click, and it adjusts right to the clipping mask. Okay, so to get that blue, I'm going to click on my foreground color, and using the eyedropper, I'm selecting a blue from my photo. First thing I'm going to go do is there is a paint layer and the splatters. The paint you can see here, the splatters you can see here. And let's see. When you hold down Shift and Option and hit Delete, it fills with that foreground color. One of the easiest ways to recolor a layer. So again, on the splatters, I'm going to hold down Shift Option and hit Delete, and that's going to fill that layer. The next thing I want to do is recolor some of these plastic elements. So let's start with this postage frame. Command U to bring up the hue saturation. Click on Colorize. You can see it really brings it in pretty desaturated, but it's in the right range. So I'm just going to grab the saturation and pump it up a bit. Now, if it seems a little light, I can darken it, and there I've kind of intensified what I'm doing. Now, when I do something like this, I like to then go and write down what the number values are. So I've got 195/61/-18. That way, when I come over to the chevrons and I hold down Control and click and select the chevron layer, Command U to recolor, click on Colorize, I can easily go, it went to 195 automatically, but I can get my settings that I had for the other element. And just like that, we're pretty well matched. Now the one other thing I believe I did, yes, I went down to this label and I did a Command U and I did a Colorize and brought it up again. And there, just like that, you have got your page matching your photo, complementing things much better. So anything you see, you can easily make changes to elements to have them accent your pages and complement your pages much nicer. Okay, we also did the wrap. So we'll do that. We'll click on Colorize. We've got 195, hit Tab, type 61, hit Tab, type -8. Whoops, we didn't want that. We want -18. And there you've got a nice royal blue instead of what you had before. Whoops. Let's go back and we'll redo so you can see the difference. So easy, so quick to take any template and easily change the colors to complement your photos. I hope you found that helpful and will encourage you to open your eyes to more templates that are available in the shop and the versatility of everything you have. And you buy a template like this and you recolor it in blues, or maybe for a visit to the Grand Canyon, you recolor it into clay colors. Really, the possibilities are endless, and it will seem like you're using a different template for every photo. So I hope that helps, and I will see you at katiepertitdesigns.com. Thanks for watching. Oh, and remember, like and subscribe so you don't miss a single tip. Thanks.